Okay, so I have a GreenWorks chainsaw here, and I did a review on this one back in the fall or in the summer, and I like the chainsaw, except like right now, see it's got 3 bars, the battery's full, and when I click it in, hit the trigger, it just makes a little click. So I just bought this thing this year, had it maybe 9 months since I bought it. For sure 6 months anyways. But it says a 3 or 4 year warranty on the box. So I called GreenWorks Canada, and they had me on the phone test a bunch of stuff. So they wanted me to try pushing the brake forward and then pulling it back and then trying it. And that didn't work. They wanted to make sure the battery was charged, so they told me to put the battery on the charger and tell them what light I seen on the charger, and it was green, solid green. And I told them that I tested the voltage on the battery, and the battery was 83 volts. They wanted me to pull the bar and chain off and make sure there was no dirt in there, but I already did that. So I did that on the phone. I pulled the bar and chain off, tried to spin it again, didn't work. So then what they want is they wanted the serial number and the model number of each unit. So they wanted to know the serial number of the battery, serial number of the chainsaw, model number, and on the charger. So the things that you get with it when you buy it. And so they tried to find a service center nearby, and they couldn't find one. So they decided to send me a brand new chainsaw, free of charge. They told me to keep that one for parts, and this one, by the looks of it, I haven't even tried it yet, but this one here looks like it came with an extra chain. So now, so the first one came with 2 chains plus a chain on it, so I had 3 chains. So now I got a chain here, and it looks like there's a chain on the chainsaw. So now I've got 5 chains. Here's the wrench to. There's a wrench in here for changing the chain or tightening it. Let's see here if I can get this thing out of here and see if it works. Okay. I haven't tested it yet. Okay, so it's the same saw. This is the newer model. It is the same saw that I had before. The brake is on, so I'll click the brake off. I'll pull this off, and then I'm just going to fill this with oil. So I'm going to pause the video for a second while I fill this with oil. Okay, so now that's full of oil. You can see it's right full. I use that kind of oil. It's a bar chain oil for winter. It's winter here in Canada. We're not in Australia, which would be nice. But okay, now I'm going to grab the battery, and I hope that it works. Otherwise it's the battery that's faulty. But I don't think the battery is, because it did test 83 volts, and it was running fine when it just stopped working for no reason. It just, all of a sudden I pull the trigger and there's nothing, just a click. So let's see. It's working. So I'll have to say GreenWorks is a good company. They stand behind their warranty, and I'm pretty impressed with how quick they resolve this problem. Anyways, that's just a quick update on my chainsaw. Hope it helps somebody.